if you do what is meaningful to you. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon to the honorable judges. It's an honor and a pride for me to be standing here tonight. My name is Pirbi Terangpi, and I'm contestant. Today I'm standing here to give thanks to the Lord and myself to follow my heart and dare to accomplish my dreams. And I truly believe that if we really work hard, with all the heart, but full of determination, dedication, and with devotion, sincerely, miracles will happen in my life. And my strength of hard work come from seeing my parents. They are